When it comes to gaming, we need a machine that's powerful enough to handle the high-end graphics by giving you the optimum performance. And that's what I have today. So let's roll the intro quickly and get started. Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to have my hands on this powerful device from HP, which is the HP Omen. So without wasting much time, let's unbox this fatafat. User manual, wires, laptop, adapter, power cable. So let's turn this on now. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly set this up and I'll get back to you. This is the HP Omen powered by 6-core 2.6 GHz 10th gen Intel Core i7 with Intel Turbo Boost technology. It's equipped with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD with 32 GB Intel Optane memory. So now you can enjoy much faster data transfer speeds that goes up to 1.4 Gbps. It also comes with a 4 GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card that is specifically designed for gaming and high-end performance. The top cover is black with a metallic matte finish with the aluminium black keyboard that has this anodized finishing, giving it a premium look. It has got a 15.6-inch Full HD sRGB display that has bezels on 3 sides that maximizes your screen real estate, that has a refresh rate of 144Hz with a WLED backlight. The narrow bezel on the top comes with a HP Wide Vision HD camera with integrated dual array digital microphone. The integrated keyboard is an island style full-sized 4-zone RGB backlit with 26 key rollover anti-ghosting key technology and a HP image pad with a multi-touch gesture support. On the left you get one HDMI 2.0, one super speed USB Type A, one RJ45 port, a 3.5mm headphone microphone combo jack and a multi-format SD media card reader port. On the right are two super speed USB Type A ports, one mini display port and one Thunderbolt 3 port. So now you can add an external GPU as well. On the front are the integrated Bang & Olufsen dual speakers, and on the bottom are these two fans that provides a 5-way airflow system. And all of this is packed under Windows 10. So this is a portable lightweight laptop stand that I bought from Amazon at 860 rupees. I got this actually for two reasons. The first is that it's portable and weighs only 250 grams with a max payload of 10 kgs. Secondly, it has got a minimal design, so it doesn't hamper the cooling. So the mechanism is pretty simple. All you need to do is just pull this out like this and it will get locked here, and then you have to pull this tab this way, this tab like this, and to adjust the height you can close this half, so it will, so depending on the height you want you can just play with this. And the second thing is this silica rubber which is given here. You have to just open it like this and the laptop will actually rest here. The laptop will rest here and this will prevent the laptop from sliding down. So this is the stand from Portronics. I'll leave a link down in the description. And to close it, just open this, just pull these tabs towards you and close it. That's all. Priced at 1,38,000, this is the best buy for the gamers and graphic designers out there. However, on the downside, this isn't the best option for the video editors because this comes with a GTX 1650 which is preloaded. However, in my opinion, I would rather recommend you to go with the Omen series that comes with a RTX 2070. I got this for 1,24,000 because there was a sale going on Amazon. And right now if you check Amazon, it's showing 1,17,000. I have included the link in the description, you can surely check it out there. This is the Mafia and I've maxed out the performance settings, and this is the smoothness it has to offer. It's actually fast and fluid. Unfortunately, the 144Hz refresh rate can't be actually seen from the video. You have to experience it.
I want to tell. Told them they needed to be out in 2 weeks. His name's
Unfortunately, this laptop doesn't have a 4K display. Those who are looking out for 4K, I have made another video on the Concept D5 series. You can check it out here. Second thing is the lighting system in the keyboard. That is RGB spectrum of 16.8 million colors. The third thing is the network boosters this laptop has. And also a good battery backup that lasts up to 5 to 6 hours. So all in all, this is a tiny device power pack with performance with a Max-Q design. Max-Q actually translates to thermal, electrical and software that is designed specifically for gaming that can support a GPU as powerful as the GeForce GTX 1080. To make it more simple, this term comes from aerospace engineering and refers to the rockets that are designed for space launch. So those out there who are looking for a purchase of a laptop and also the RTX 2070 series which I mentioned, I have included the links in the description below. Please check it out. So that's all with the Omen. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do hit the like and the subscribe button. Till then, bye bye.